so today I just came from Inala and we're going to cook a very special dish, and this is called ginataang crabs or crabs cooked in coconut. I'm just gonna fix all of this and then we'll start cooking. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back. So now we're all ready. I've chopped all my vegetables and I've also got our main star. That's our main ingredients, are crabs for this dish. So I'm just going to bring the camera closer so you can see exactly what we're doing. Start by sauteing your garlic, your onions, and then your ginger. With this recipe, I would highly suggest to put lots and lots of ginger because that will add a lot of flavor to it. Next is we add our shrimp paste. This is just a regular shrimp paste that you can get from an Asian shop. And then we'll just saute them with our garlic, onions, and ginger. I've got some spare cherry tomatoes from my garden, so I just added them in, and then I'll start adding my veggies. I've got the pumpkin, I've got the eggplant, and I've also got some string beans. We'll just saute them all together, and then we'll add our coconut milk. Season it with some salt and pepper to taste, and then your fish sauce. That's optional, but I really love fish sauce when I have coconut milk. And then cover it and let it simmer, and then once it's half cooked, you remove the vegetable from the pan just to give room for the crabs, and then we'll put them back in, and then we'll put that on top of the crabs, and we'll cover it and we'll let it simmer until the crabs turned orange in color. Once you've got all the crabs in, just add in another can of your coconut milk. And then you can now add the vegetables back into your pan. Season it again with another teaspoon of salt and pepper. Add in your chilies, and then just let it simmer until it turns orange in color. Ooh. Hello guys, we're back. So we're done. We're finally finished with our crabs cooked in ginataan. Not ginataan, yeah, or coconut milk. Okay, so wow, super yummy. I already have my rice here, and don't forget your waste bin. So Let's try the sauce, the coconut milk. Okay, now it's up to you if you want your squash or your pumpkin to be like super like mushy texture, but I like mine to have a little bit of the bite. Okay, I want to taste the coconut milk first and then the vegetable. Wow. The taste is very rich. You can really taste the coconut milk and the crabs. Oh wow. Exciting. Now the pumpkin is fresh from the garden. It's a butternut pumpkin, but you can use a squash, you know, the winter squash. You can also use that. Now let's try. Oh, let's try this baby. Sweet. It's still hot. I don't know if I can. Okay. This is the fun part. Maybe I'll get another plate. I'll just cover this so it doesn't get cold. This is nice with fish sauce and chili. Actually, I have that. My chili and my fish sauce. They go well together. I just need to get that. I need to have that. Another bite. Okay. So, I don't know how I'm going to get it. Oh, it's still hot. So, take this off. Oh, wow. Eat that. And then you break this into, you're gonna break that in half. Okay, but because it's really hot, look at that. So once your crab turned orange like this, you turn off the heat because it's already cooked. If you overcook this, it's going to be really tough. So you want it just the right consistency. Is that right? That's all I can say. Very delicious. Oh. Yay! There we go. Look at that. Look at the inside. Wow, yum. See, they're not tough. Super yummy. One of my favorite. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe that we shared with you today. And I'm going to put all the ingredients that I use for this dish down into the description box. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click that subscribe button and the bell next to that so you can be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, stay safe and God bless. Bye!